In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace front window regulators on a Toyota Corolla. These are located behind the front door panels. Let's get started. We're going to start off by locating our interior door handle on the front door. Behind it, we'll locate this trim panel. Remove it using a small flat blade screwdriver. Wedge it in between and pry it out. Set it aside. Once that is off, we have access to our Phillips head screw. Go ahead and remove it. We're going to move down to our master window switch and its trim panel and remove it using a pry tool. And pry up. Pull it up and out. On the back side, we are going to locate two electrical connectors, push the tabs down, and slide them out. And set the switch aside. We are going to locate this trim piece on the middle portion of the door panel and remove it. Pull it away from the edge right here. And keep pulling it away. Set it aside. Now we have access to these two Phillips head screws. Remove these as well. Now for the one in the middle portion of the door panel. Pull the door panel away from the vehicle, starting at the lower corner of the panel. Pry out. After that, move on to the back side of the panel. Just locate your door handle cables, the white one on top and the green one on the bottom. Pull these out of the holders. And set the panel aside. We're going to locate our plastic vapor barrier on the back side of the door and twist and remove these three clips. So turn them counterclockwise and pull them out. Once they are out, undo these four clips and pull the vapor barrier out. So just pry them out. Slide the door cables out and set it aside. With our vapor barrier removed, we're going to move on to this plastic cover in the middle of the door. Remove it as well. This is to gain access to our window bolts. To gain access to them, we're going to temporarily reinstall our window switches. So just do the black connector for now. And lift it up until we can see both bolts through these holes. Remove the switch and connector, press down and slide it out, and turn the ignition off. Remove these two 10mm bolts and set them aside. We're going to lift the window up the channel and secure it with some masking tape. Yeah, that looks good. Make sure it's secure. We're going to locate our regulator connector above the door speaker. Push this tab up with a small flat blade screwdriver and slide it out. pushing the tab and removing it. Inspect for any corrosion or damage and set it aside. We can now remove our 7 10mm fasteners, starting with the one at the bottom. And our last one on top. With all our fasteners removed, remove the regulator from the vehicle. Slide it out. Out. And there it is. We're going to install our window regulator. We're going to put it in place. Slide it in first. So align the studs and push them through. Same with the motor ones as well. Now hand thread on all your fasteners. And snug these all down. We're going to torque these down to 71 inch-pounds. We're also going to reinstall our electrical connector, line it up, and ensure you hear the click. Make sure it's secure. We're going to remove our masking tape and slowly lower the glass onto the regulator. And now slowly lower the glass down, ensuring the glass stays on the window track. We're going to reinstall our 2 mounting bolts. Quick note, if the holes do not align, you would have to reinstall your window switch and lift up on the new regulator to align them. As you can see, ours already do. So I'm going to hand thread it on. And same for the other one. Snug these down. And torque them down to 71 inch-pounds. Now to reinstall our plastic vapor barrier. Before we do so, we're going to run our door cables through this cutout right here. So feed them through. We're going to align the clips with the holes on the door and push down. And also reinstall our locking clips. So put them into place and turn clockwise. After this, we're going to move on to our bolt cover and reinstall it as well. Just push it in. We're going to reinstall our door panel and the door handle cables. Starting off with the green one that goes in the bottom for the door handle. Hook it into the holder and secure the connector. Just push all the way down. We'll do the same for the white top one. Secure the cable on the holder and push it in. Now let's install the door panel. We are going to push it into place and secure our clips all around the perimeter. Once everything's lined, push down on all corners. And that looks good. We're going to snug down our 3 Phillips head screws, starting with the ones on the bottom and the corner. Insert them and snug them down. And our last screw adjacent to the door handle. We're also going to reinstall our plastic trim pieces, so put them into place and push down. We'll do the same for our door handle trim piece. Open the handle and slide it into place. We're going to feed our harness through the door panel and reinstall our switches. Starting with the black one on the bottom, slide it in and make sure it's secure. And same for the white one on top. Now position your master switch in the door panel and push down. After reinstallation of a new regulator, we are going to have to relearn the auto up and down function of the window. So this model is equipped with an auto up and down for the drivers only. So we're going to hold up. Hold for about 3 seconds. Then hold all the way down and do the same. Now we're going to test functionality of the auto up and down feature. And that looks good.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.